Hi, today we talk about the sixth Chinese zodiac animal. This is the snake. Do you know how to say and write snake in Chinese? We say 蛇, 蛇. So a lot of people may dislike snakes, but in Chinese culture, snake it's believed to prolong life. So it's a symbol of good luck, good harvest, and good reproduction. So, for people who were born in the year of the snake, they are believed to be pretty smart, and responsible. So, I hope you enjoy this video and hope you know how to write this character snake, 蛇, in Chinese. So, thank you so much for watching, and please check out other videos as well. Bye.